Okay, so next up, weapon case for Black Mouse. We need to complete 3 secure intel contracts, kill 3 commanders, and extract 1 weapon case. This is quite a loaded mission. To start with, 3 secure intel contracts. What we're looking for are these cases over here. They're basically a document icon with a question mark in them. We need to head across there and activate them, then do the mission 3 times. Sweet, having found an LMG, this will definitely help me later on with the commando. There we go. Find and secure intel, pick it up, activate, and now a folder has been marked on our map. All we need to do is navigate across them and pick up a hard drive. Usually they're a little bit hidden, so you'll need to look around for a moment, but you'll see what it looks like now. So approaching this point here, I don't think it's outside, I think it's inside the building, and probably upstairs. There we go. Here's a little laptop, Intel hard drive. I'll hit F and we'll grab the hard drive from it. Now all we need to do is head across to a big tower that's marked on the map to upload it. Having a look around, there it is up here. That's where we need to head. As you can see, it's just a big tower. We'll need to head across to the top of it. And as the man over the radio tells you, the access point is at the top. Only one person from your team needs to climb up here, and it doesn't have to be the same person who picked up the hard drive. Then at the very top, look for this machine, interact with it, you'll plop in the hard drive and type in a few things. Then you'll need to sit up here for a few seconds while this completes. Then we'll navigate across and do the next mission, for example. You'll need to do this 3 times. Unfortunately, these 3 tasks here aren't at all connected, and the second one we can only really do once a game. Anyways, upload complete. Let's go back and do the next one. There we go, picking up the next hard drive. This one's probably upstairs too. I'll head up there. It's not an encrypted hard drive like the one I just picked up. I think it's maybe on the first floor. There we go, hard drive, sweet. Now, what's left to do is upload this once again. At least it's using the same tower. Upload it, that was very weird. And when it's finished, we'll look for the last mission. There's none here. Maybe one down south. Yeah, there's 2 down here. Right, looks like we'll be heading quite the distance. As you can see, the commander has spawned in, this helicopter-looking man over here. All we need to do is travel across there and take it down. It'll usually take a few hundred bullets, and of course they do shoot back at you. It's a very angry vehicle. The best way to do this is inside of a building. If you get inside of a stronghold at least, with windows that have like metal grates in front of them, it seems like they can't see you, but you can see them pretty easily. And extracting a weapons case, this big yellow circle inside of it is a juggernaut, and when you kill said juggernaut, they drop a weapons case, and as long as you extract with it, that mission counts as well, though you'll be marked for every player on the map. Let's try a deal with the commander. Now, much like Rust, if you tag it once, it'll usually fly over to your location, as long as it's not currently aggroed on a different enemy. Do note that they are very angry to say the least, so you'll definitely need to be prepared. There we go. Here's the vehicle. Now all we need to do is find a location. Maybe this building here, this double-story building, is good enough to take it down. Okay, so let's come upstairs here and start taking this thing down. So as you can see, the bullets do come through the walls, and when they rocket, they are very angry as well. And there's a couple of rockets, but as you can see, they didn't really do much at all. As you can see, it's already smoking and a little bit unhappy, so we'll just carry on bullying it until eventually it pops. Well, that didn't go to plan. This area is a bit too hot having both the weapons case and the commander in it. Maybe we can do a bit better next round. Okay, so picking up the last bit of the mission here. Please, no. Somebody help, I'm gonna die. Somebody help, I'm solo. Somebody help, I'm gonna die. Help, I'm gonna die. Somebody help me. I'm gonna die. No. There we go, picking up the last one. We just need to run across, upload it, and we're done with this mission. Hello there, you. And there we go. There's a tick on the first part of the mission. Now we just need to kill the commander helicopters and extract with the weapons case. You know what? Maybe we should go for the weapons case. We'll need to run into the big yellow circle with the case inside of it and the question mark. Pick up the weapons case that you'll find off the Juggernaut, which is the heaviest armed person there. So usually you'll find the Juggernaut somewhere in here, and if we find ourselves a roof to pot them from, life could be a little bit easier. Now, as for where they are, nobody really knows. They could be literally anywhere here. I do know that there's usually some heavy armored guards here, so maybe they're sticking somewhere around the hydroelectric. Maybe not. There's no real way of knowing. I do hear some stomping around in the building I'm currently on. Oh my god, he's in my building. That is some really good luck, of course. I did not want to fall off the roof. There we go, Juggernaut down. Sweet, that was easier than I had hoped. Now all that's left is getting out of dodge. So as soon as we pick it up, we'll be marked for absolutely everyone on the map. It seems another team came through here. Maybe they loosened it for me, but I'll take what they had and leave. Let me yoink these. Of course, I probably should have run the other way. Maybe not. Let's just get ourselves to an extract, maybe that one over there. It's far away from the UAV in the town here. I don't see much going on the map on that side, so let's go there. Of course, we could also finish a hostage exfil to get a private escape, but I don't think that's quite necessary. A very close extract there, but at least we extracted with the weapons case, and that's the last part of the mission done. Now it's just waiting for the commanders and taking them out when we see them. We'll have to do this over 3 separate games, which is quite an issue. You'll probably want to do some other missions while you're waiting, as you'll sit around for most of the match to pass. Then and only then will the commanders spawn in somewhere on the map. You can travel to them and get rid of them. In fact, I don't think I killed the commander that one time, but it looks like it counted. Let's have a look. Yes, it counted. Maybe it's because I killed the Juggernaut? Do they count as a commander? I don't think so. We'll have to see next game. Maybe the chemist counts as one as well. Sweet, an attack helicopter spawned in the town that I'm in. That's exactly what I was hoping for. Now to just get rid of it. I've tagged it. Let's see if we can get rid of it. There we go. Got rid of it. Sweet. No. Anyways, even though I didn't survive, that's the end of the weapons case. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Technobi here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.